wherever you are in the world today. I hope you're absolutely fantastic. I'm sure you've seen that the latest predictions come out. And what I'm learning about these models is that there is some form of dependency on liquidity on the current market conditions. In other words, what it's telling us is that there is going to be a higher low, but depending on how much activity there is in the market, it doesn't necessarily always give how shallow or deep that's going to be. So the AI is able to provide market structure as well as the timing of the turnaround points, which is obviously super valuable because that's where you make your money. So in between those turnaround points, also known as transitions. So it'll provide those. But sometimes, as I'm learning over here, even though we are being told that there is a higher low coming in, if there isn't much liquidity in the market because there's been a massive amount of energy expended in the near past future, sorry, in the near past, then we just got to do what I always recommend, and that is to trade with trend. So if you're seeing a higher low, then I would say buy low, sell high. So therefore, don't short this because you don't know how short it may come up. For example, over here, um, and then wait for that turn to be in. So that'll be the timing of this, and then ride it to the next high up. So that the AI is suggesting that there is a slight higher high happening over here, but I think what it's trying to get across is it expects consolidation, which is quite, dare I say, obvious when you see this amount of market action kicking in. So yeah, that's it for today's market update. Nothing too exciting. Catch you in the next one. Ciao for now.